stuff. So I don't feel like on the gatekeeper. For example, if I Afro, ha bukiba na baba. Number one, there's a comment but I know it's controversial. Get high. It's his money.
Let him do whatever he wants.
So you how not take motuare? I made my own show and I'm booking whoever I want.
Bro.
Because it's my show.
It's my show.
Yeah.
So
Yo, big shout out to Khaliza for that one. Oh, 3, 2, 1, score!
you getting screw up in here. Pull up, say jump. And we're back with another episode of the Jump Podcast.
Yes, sir.
Make sure to subscribe, like, follow us on all the social media platforms, and don't forget to leave those comments. We see those comments and we appreciate each and every one of you who's taking their time to comment, to like, and to share. Thank you guys. We appreciate you.
Shout
And
out.
man, we're shooting live from Elibo Guest House and we're doing good. Are you guys good?
I'm
Man,
Yeah.
I'm feeling
hey,
good.
we just
I'm
ate,
full.
man. So,
Selo Khots.
the sleep is deep the most, but yeah, we good, man.
Yeah,
We good,
shout
we
out
good.
to Galitos for providing us with some,
Grab nyana.
yeah.
Some bites.
Check out the Hot Box 2 Galitos. Say 45 ranta. Man, it tastes divine.
You know, go check out also the site for also
Yeah.
if you want to see the menu on www.galitos.com to see what you can order up at your local establishment.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Banka li Uber thing. They can order, they can deliver.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And
I'm
then-
joined by
Oh, okay.
Doof.
I thought we were talking about the spices, but Doof is here. Doof is here.
We're joined by Doof and we're joined by Konishi Wasap and Ralph the Dandy and Kaluza on the camera. Let's say do Robert. So hot, guys.
The crew is sleeping.
The crew
guys.
Shout out to Tony the driver.
Yeah,
We got you.
Yeah,
got you.
Ralph the Dandy, man. Come on, man. Tell us about the sauce. You know you got the sauce, man.
So like
Yeah.
you can tell, we have a bunch of sauces here. You know, from Galitos. You know,
Yeah.
Galito is actually chicken in Portuguese. You know that.
Jailer.
Nah,
so
I
so
didn't
it's
know
just
that.
chickens. We're literally
Oh,
chicken.
school
Yeah,
day.
yeah. So like Galito specializes in like Portuguese flame grilled peri peri chicken.
Yeah.
So that's what they specialize in. And it's ironic because it's like mostly Portuguese because it was founded in South Africa.
Yeah.
In Nelspruit.
Yeah.
Shout
But
out.
by Portuguese people.
By Portuguese people.
Yeah.
So
Which
we gotta
name
respect the culture
I can't
still.
really pronounce.
But
Kaluza will
that
add
guy.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they have like 200 outlets in like 17 countries and we're one of them.
Yeah.
So make sure to get your hot box
Yeah.
box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, let me get the sauce. The sauce
the
it's
sauce
about
is-
35 rand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you'll see all the sauces when you get there at the shop, what you actually prefer.
You got
sir.
a wide
Yeah.
variety of
Wide.
these sauces.
Yeah, guys, but hey, man, sad news. RIP Malume Vector, Luizy, and Mishka. Hey, guys, we're losing people over car accidents, eh?
It's
Yeah,
getting
man.
scary.
Man, it's fucked up on the road, man.
Yeah.
Like I don't know, things happen on the road.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Yeah.
Oh no, I thought you myself was nah, man. But yeah, things are happening, man, on the road. I don't know.
Hey.
Hey, sometimes it's not even your fault, man.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, because like
Yeah,
the
things
vector thing.
happen.
The vector thing, they say the
tire.
car itself.
Yeah,
it's a
had
tire
problems.
control,
Yeah.
And then now, hey, man.
We've lost that real one.
Eh,
Isn't this the first episode we've done, yeah? Since
Yeah,
Yeah,
since the
since
death.
since the
Yeah.
loss and the
Yeah.
funeral and everything else. So
Yes,
sir.
I guess so the whole Time Entertainment fans and the families that are affected from the Jump Podcast, we'd like to say condolences to everybody who was affected by this. All the artists who have been affected by death in this recent times and the families who've also been like a part of this loss. Condolences to you guys, and I don't know, to everybody else who's felt the loss as either a fan, a viewer, or consumer of the music or the art.
Yeah.
Hey, PP, you know,
Yeah.
rest in peace to those we've lost. I think that's
Ish,
about
man.
all we could say
it's
right
pretty-
now.
it's pretty
Yes,
sad.
sir. But we have to celebrate those artists for what they've represented and what
yes, sir.
they've been
Yeah.
for the game
and where they put the country.
Yeah,
'cause
yeah,
they were doing massive strides and putting the country on the map. Vector on a record label that side.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
he had signed an actual South African artist
Yeah, yeah.
to his thing, and he was
multiple.
also pushing people like Sanner as well
Yeah.
to get him on platforms that side. So, man, the impact he made, the impact they made is definitely
shout out.
felt within the
Yes,
game.
sir.
So,
Big shout out.
yeah.
I also feel like you guys could have seen
Yeah.
It means he did his part, dog. Like,
Yeah.
I think
He was celebrated
he
well.
was properly
Yeah, yeah,
celebrated.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
I think it's due time that this entire year we take them more seriously. Imagine Vector is celebrity or not, and at the same time when he does pass, we're gonna give them the same status we've been arguing about. You understand? Yeah. So now it's just an acknowledgement, fella, for every single artist who's pushing. Shout out. You know,
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
see you. We appreciate what you're doing for the space.
Yeah.
And
Now-
that Sanner performance though, I just want to highlight.
Yo,
Hey,
that
hey,
was crazy.
Yeah. What
was
Sanner
crazy.
did over there, man. It was fire.
And it was
No. We're not gonna talk about that.
Okay,
But what
yeah.
Sanner did was that performance was
Yeah.
very
Intense.
emotional and intense. And,
And the whole funeral, it was
Yeah.
Yeah,
beautiful,
it was
man.
nice,
All
it
the
was nice.
speakers, everybody who was there,
yeah.
was clean.
Man.
Yeah.
I mean, now my 2 cents is, guys, make sure that you spend much time with family and loved ones. Hi, ke bone ntho tsena di etsahala di latellane ka pelenyana gore we are losing so many people in the industry over car accidents, over whatever is happening, whether it's illness and whatever. Gore, just appreciate what we have. Stop complaining, stop comparing, just appreciate.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's still part of life, but we just need to learn how to appreciate. They only care when it's RIP, you know.
Yeah.
Re ne ne re
Only give you
tsotelle
flowers when
artists
you're
tsa rona ntse ba phela, you know, like go re ne re appreciate. Omali Temba made a tweet already. Was it a Facebook post? Yeah, he said like batho ba tlohele ho etsa. It's high time people squash their beefs.
Yeah.
And we need to start collaborating. Ke re tshwarelane. Haeba
Yeah.
o kolota kgebezi 300, make sure
Just pay the money.
patala kgebezi, you know, le lokise dintho.
Sometimes
Yeah,
it
so
can
there's
be
no
nuanced.
bad blood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, we have to come correct.
Yeah.
I guess to everybody else so that the space grows. You know?
Yeah.
And community in Nonong is not built only on squashing beef. It's also building relationships,
Yeah.
extending yourself to the next person. If you feel like you need to collaborate with somebody to make something work, tell her what you
Yeah.
need to do, dog.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
the right
I bet the
days.
thing
Yeah.
happy winning kure. Like the industry, not just music, but the
Yeah.
entertainment industry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are trying to collaborate, of course, but at the same time, there's still that bit of competition. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it goes too far, and then that's where the beefs come.
Yeah.
But well, someone that you think is your rival or competing with,
Yeah.
now he's getting bigger.
Yeah.
So now
it's
you get a
depressing.
bit how so depressed. Even not just just music, even podcasts.
Yeah.
Once now the jump here comes,
Hey.
now the other podcasts say, now
Those
he wants a
ones.
podcast.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
let's just grow the space instead of just
Tell them.
hey,
We must grow.
hey, instead of
Not
shunning each
hating.
other
Yeah.
and stuff like. Let's
Yeah.
not hate on each other, but let's help
Exactly.
each other
Let's
grow
collaborate.
the industry as a
So
whole.
when
So-
one ntho e ke e boneng e ke sa e ratang blind, there is a pastor who came out on Facebook. Ho na le moruti ya hlahileng Facebook
Oh, the
ya
prophet.
Santare. Yeah, the prophet. It's like ho tlo shwa di radio presentera tse tharo.
Yeah.
After this whole thing, ho tlo shwa mamang, ho tlo shwa this and that and that.
Yeah.
Kore he said there are gonna be people who bone
Was he
a
mentioning
vision.
names, Capo?
Nah, he didn't mention names. He just mentioned
He made a
professions.
vague thing, bro. He
Yeah,
made
just something fella.
Hey, o bile ka- o
emphasize.
bile di-profession ho tlo hlokahala di-radio presenter. Like,
Okay,
in fact,
okay.
when you do such things on a public platform, do you actually think or na ntho ena e tlo affecta batho ba jwang?
Yeah.
Because ka nnete ho na le leru la lefu le re aparetseng.
Yeah.
Right? So you can't just come about and then try to gain recognition ka hore
trying to-
wena o moruti. Vele hodima o le moruti, ebe o tlo bua ntho tse kalo. Can you imagine you're a radio presenter, you're working a night shift.
Yeah.
Now you have to drive back home
And
thinking
consistently always
Mutani.
thinking.
Yeah,
Yeah, that-
Mutano who can control, like,
Yeah.
this
yeah,
guy,
Mutano
yeah.
is all
But like-
shy and stuff. You
I
know, it's not good.
I absolutely hear what you're saying.
Yeah.
On this matter,
think
I
he's
feel like
getting traction.
let's
He has to gain traction.
let-
That's
yeah,
why-
yeah,
I feel
yeah.
like you're not
Let's get
gonna
into
get
it. Let's get into it. Ne?
Yeah.
So ten we say hona le leru le raparetseng la lefu da. You
Yeah.
understand?
Sure.
And I beg to differ. You understand? I feel like we're losing people, and right now we're losing people who are in this limelight. But we're losing people every day.
Yeah,
my dog.
yeah,
You know what I
yeah.
mean? And you might even figure out, okay, right now it's only as painful because it's people we love. You understand? It's cherished and celebrated people.
Yeah.
You understand? And it's like, how can you lose two icons? Wafa Amole, the kind of music Vector did. You know what I mean? At the same time, but I don't want us to gravitate towards saying there is a general cloud of death around us. Nahana,
Maybe in the industry, not just around us.
let's maybe in the industry.
Yeah.
If we
Yeah,
say
to be
that,
specific.
then that's fair.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Hey, like you were
Kunale-
saying in the
I'm
industry.
talking about the
yeah,
industry.
Contextually, it's just two
Yeah.
people.
No, it's not. Even Mishka.
Yeah. My chat is like, let's say 3 people out of how many people who die? How many regular people who die?
Yeah, okay. Get my point. Get my 2 cents on your guy. I'm talking about like music industry. But to banza ba hlokala weekly now in the music industry and ke batho ba popular. That's why ke reng hona le leo. I'm not talking about
the
like
entertainment
general.
industry.
I'm not talking
Not
about
on
like
life,
general.
not on life as a whole.
Yeah. So and then we both the prophet. Hodima ho ndo etsa into. I ke go vela so tlhoka
I hear
batho
that
ba
exactly.
gago.
Now
Maybe
really
vale
trying to
prophet
gain
wa
traction
hlaha.
over what is happening.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So I'm
And
saying it's
what you said, there's like how to work out the prophet. Someone shared how they wish there could be Sanera who did.
Oh, you remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's up with that shit, dog?
And
Yeah,
then
we
Sanera
Sanera-
actually went live and talked about exactly what you said.
Yeah.
Some people just say stuff.
Yeah,
And
the
then-
wording to a
Wait. Someone said that which Sanere?
Yeah,
was the one
yeah,
who
literally, bro.
Who should have died?
I was saying
Yeah,
there's some description
yeah.
show.
Let me tell you what happened.
People are wishing death on.
Yeah,
bro.
What's
Bro.
happening? What's
Before they
happening?
take this clip only and say we said this.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I tell you, we see you on Twitter.
Yeah, we see.
The thing is, what happened was,
Yeah.
Moto, like you know, this group study fans, the music supporters and whatever.
Yeah.
Somebody said it as like I don't know, dark humor or like niggas
And it was
just being
anonymous.
intentional about you. Hey, they do like
okay.
where they're like, bro, like don't take this nigga, take this nigga. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Type
something
shit.
like that.
At the same time, you can't be playing with death, my dog.
No.
Yeah.
Like there has to be a limit, where we play, especially in the times when people are actually losing people.
Also, he was saying it. Kapo, he was trying to say it in a humorous way.
It's like jokes, but you don't fuck around and say that.
Dark
dog.
humor type.
Yeah,
thing.
it's like
Aight,
it's not
aight.
this time.
Yeah.
Like
It's not like he
Read the
genuinely
room, dog.
wanted.
Yeah, like,
something.
nah, bro. Like
Read
read
the
calm
room,
down, guys.
yeah.
As even the consumer, we have to be mindful of the things we say because so to say the future is here, bro. Like literally everything that you say is on the tongue. So if you
the power of the tongue.
yeah, the power of the tongue.
Yeah.
You manifest these
Yeah,
things.
ne?
Ka mokgwa di etsahalang ka teng. So depending if you're a spiritual person or a non-spiritual person, you know when you've said something and then it happened. So be careful what you just fucking manifest. Bro. Come on, bro. We don't need that energy. Let's just celebrate things right now. Let's just
celebrate. I mean,
How?
come on, Sanere. Big up Sanere. Justin J. Just out of the blue. Big up Sanere. This nigga's killing it. This nigga's killing it.
Hey, he's killing
Yeah,
it, bro.
no,
So look about the Sun report.
But it doesn't even matter, bro. Real life.
Pokaboa. Yes.
Okay.
That nigga killing it. too.
Yes.
Yes.
Bro.
Just a
Other
shout out,
names.
Bro, right now,
Yeah.
did you see the gig guy? I'm gonna look up. In recent times.
No.
So he's doing like a European tour of like, he's like, he made a post today talking about how he wants to go to do like Lollapalooza, he wants to do Coachella. He wants to, this nigga is headlining some of the biggest events in like Hungary, Berlin, Germany, just this season. Guys. So imagine if you are busy making beef and talking about people regularly here. But look at us. And your counterpart.
Hey, that
I tell
guy
you, but
cooks.
I tell you, but
Yeah, he
biggest
got white
white
managers.
people.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
because even the band is white, right?
yeah, but like no, his manager is black. He manages himself. His manager, Kena Le.
Or he
Buff.
manages himself.
Yeah.
Is he
hey,
signed to a
but
label?
how actually wasn't the story was
The good
like he
times.
was
The good times.
Ubutweke, some white guy who came here and liked his music,
No.
like
That-
his origin story.
No, guys. The thing is,
You must come to the show.
let me
Get us-
tell-
just-
let me-
let
me put you
well, I
on.
heard something like
Yeah,
that.
let me tell you. Let me put you on. So,
Okay.
like about 2017, yeah, he was already
Sure.
creating music,
Sure.
putting music out on like Spotify, not Spotify, SoundCloud as experimental sounds. Yeah, goes to Joburg, meets up with like Black Jacks and him, and Black Jacks is like a crazy producer. And Black Jacks is like puts him onto stable, and it's like from there he puts him on how to push in like Joburg. And like in that space, and then from there, oh boy, just sees the world differently, engages different projects. So, collaborative project to Pami, let's say it's Africa Express, he got onto that jazz.
Sure.
And he did things with like I don't know liquor. There's another liquor that he did a project with. He shot a short film. Yeah, he did visuals for his song. Yeah, how is it called? One of the horses and then like I think it's one of the only videos that he has on like YouTube. But ideally, his appeal to the rest of the world is affiliating the different brands that met him like in Joburg, that met him in Lesotho, that met him in different Cancun So that SoundCloud era element is where you'll find the original one. You find like his like old
His
songs.
OG.
Yeah, OG
Where he
songs.
started and stuff.
Ralph
Bro.
Wad.
Nah.
I'm
What do you wanna
I'm
say?
gonna cook you, bro.
come in.
Vale.
But ideally, my chat is like, imagine how this nigga is working and moving right now, bro.
Yeah.
And homies is just beefing it out local. Sure. They're just out here.
I mean, the beef is unnecessary though.
Yeah.
It's for me. Nagif ke bona ile unnecessary hore be batho ba beef over such a small territory.
Yeah.
Because we could just be working together and have like a goal. We said our goal at the Jump Podcast is to put Lesotho on the map, officially on the map.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you're on the app or whatever, Lesotho hoba le option ya country. Lesotho. Well, that's what we need. And if we push these people, when they're saying or they are trying to ba sebeletse ka hara Lesotho, management wa Phokabo wa le Sanere and Ditshepe and they want to solidify themselves ka hara naha ena ya Lesotho. And of which I think Stana already bear on that map. So it's a these other coming people le bona ba fitle ba thuse gore re be recognized ntong le ngwa rona ebe
Make it better.
ya ka sida. So that
and
would
then
be great.
beefs then tarnish that progress.
Progress
and then it gets halted
it's
now.
giving political stuff, man.
It's about halted. Una le mo ya manteng wala sentse re beef against and now we can progress.
But then
together.
again, okay, now I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
But like, but then again, beef we've seen
It's
what it
also
does.
healthy.
Hey, you're trying to say it's healthy.
It's also
Like,
healthy.
it's
Yeah,
like
where's
healthy
that balance?
competition.
It's
Where's that
healthy,
balance?
healthy
Look
for
at it.
established brands.
Where's that balance?
First,
It's healthy for
okay,
established.
okay.
When
established
Samsung,
industries.
when
But
Samsung and what's this?
Apple.
And Apple, they now directly beef. Kore ha Samsung is a launcher phone ya bona ba khona hore ba be Apple le ba ga Apple is to etsa tjena.
Yeah.
Bona go kgona ho etsa tjena.
Because
Kore,
they-
it's
they
because they're
independent
working on
brand.
they're working on an industry essentially well settled.
Yeah.
So you can't be killing each other or beefing against each
Also
other on
when
something.
Ntsagetse-
While
Essentially
we're
to
trying to
tune.
progress.
The willingly, nah.
But then again, hypothetically, if Poker could go against Samere, it
Yeah.
would be like a whole
But like that,
massacre of
I
like,
But
absolutely.
somebody's,
would it be good
but
for them?
somebody's
Would it
career
be
would
good for
die.
them?
Yeah.
It's more like
not
sacrificing one of
necessarily,
them.
like, okay, we've seen what he did with Casper and AKs.
Yeah.
We've seen what he
but
did
the
with
industry was
Tanaka.
already
The industry
good.
ya bona isapo.
But the industry was already
But-
good.
But at the time, AK was good.
Yeah.
Casper was just buzzing at the time.
Yes,
Yeah,
but not
hey.
the industry. We're
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about an
The
entity
music industry
and
as a
an
whole.
individual.
Yeah.
We're not the individual.
But
like
the
a
industry
high-end
didn't suffer
entity.
though.
Because it was already
What
established.
we're saying is the industry
Was
itself,
already established.
it's well established.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
the Kahar
Harinke-
industry is well established.
Eh.
People beefing will not tarnish the industry.
Yeah,
Harinke yona
it doesn't
tafole.
tarnish
Tarnish
the
the
whole
IT.
thing.
So I don't tell
Tafole.
Lesotho monana, eh?
Ne ke ra nke tafole a shebele tjena.
Eh.
So se tsena ha dilwana
It's fine.
di a lwana.
Yeah.
But vale ha o sena tafole.
Where are they gonna fight?
Ba tlo lwanela hodima eng. That's what we're
Yeah.
saying.
Yeah.
Let's build the table first.
Yeah. Then we
Ebe-
can do whatever.
And then now we can fight.
Gymnastics
Re
after
tla
all.
ba le di food fight. Re se tlo ba le di food
Yeah.
fight.
Because there's no food on the table.
There's no food on the
Okay,
table.
so which industry exactly you talk about? You talk about the whole music.
Yeah, the whole
Yeah, in the
music
Gekas.
industry.
It's not solidified yet for
it's
us
not
to be
insanely
getting over our head.
shaky. Sometimes gets non-existent, but you
Yes,
know, it's
sometimes.
not. It's not there yet.
Ntse nyarela,
Eh,
ntse-
ntse re tjho.
Yeah.
Sanne ka hlaya nyamela.
Yeah,
Poka,
you know,
stana
yeah,
nyana.
nah,
How you
It's
feeling?
solid.
How you feeling about Sundary's tape, by the way? The project.
The EP.
Oh yeah, the EP.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
the
It's
Pabadi.
nice.
Yeah, I was saying the EP.
Yeah.
I don't know, dog. I feel like somebody was complaining. Oh, by the way, you saw the tweet, ne?
Yeah, I saw the
You saw
tweet.
the tweet?
Yamaka.
So, yes. So
Yeah.
Lord K Mac, we see you.
Yeah.
Lord K
Name
Mac
drop.
made he said
Yeah, we
the
name drop.
the I just give him a credit for his
Yeah.
tweet. He's my boy.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
Shout out.
He's
that
always
guy.
talking that.
Yeah,
on
yeah, yeah.
Twitter.
So we were saying
X.
he can't consume the music
Yeah.
because the beat pack the homies use is the same.
Oh, I saw that.
So I want to know if you feel like it's a valid argument because at the same time he does have a point because we are pushing sound.
Yeah.
We are pushing sound, but
Yeah.
at the same time, we're using literally the exact same beat pack. Can somebody sample somebody sample
Drumline
song
fapaneng.
somebody
Yeah,
do
something
some
yeah,
text
because Lena won't lie, I
Yeah.
kind of got that kind of
Yeah.
vibe. Because the first song I go, I know one thing the pen game is nice.
yes.
The pen
That's
game
what, that's
is
what,
nice.
That's what saves it.
Yeah.
The
But I'm just saying,
vocab is nice, but this how to Mamela. You're
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
it's
It's gonna be the same-
sound, the
the
beat.
same.
It's
The same beat pack. What's up?
yes.
Kabua.
Yeah.
I'm raising my hand.
Yeah.
Say okay.
I find it's fine.
Yeah.
Not to me, it's fine. You know why?
Yeah, for where we are.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
fine because this
Okay.
is the genesis. We have to
Okay,
have
it's,
a start.
Yeah.
Shebang haretse mohlala. Shebang amapiano, guys.
Yeah.
Amapiano have been having the same sound.
It used to sound the
It
same.
used to sound the same.
Yeah.
Ka rock drum e tshwana.
Yeah, it was the same beat pack.
And
And
then
yeah,
nobody
yeah,
was
the sound.
nobody was hating.
Yeah.
Nobody was hating
Yeah.
until somebody a developer a new sound.
Yeah,
Ha
something
genre
else.
is established.
Solid, yeah.
Yeah, but who develop sound e nngwe.
Solid point.
So
It's a
what I'm
phenomenon,
saying
baby.
now, what I'm saying is that let it be, guys.
Yeah.
Ha se ke
It's
la
in
tatelang
its
process.
infancy,
Let
yeah.
let it be, guys.
Shout out, Lena,
Let it be.
When it's working right now.
Yeah, it's fine.
Ska ga tatelang go chincha. It's a working formula.
Yeah.
So why o batla go chincha
Hanere
ntho e-
pele re bona ntse tse
Hey,
yeah,
then
yeah,
we'll leave.
okay.
Shabam Famo has lasted years with the same thing.
sound,
What's
yeah.
that? Now there was a
And
time
even the
where I
way they
couldn't
structure
tell.
their songs is the
The
same.
same
It's like that
beat
and then
pack.
that and then yeah.
Same. And nobody, it's only now that Bafana Bana ba influenced by Famo are only evolving the sound now.
Yeah,
That's why they're able to like mix it with hip hop. And we have to address this. But when hip hop, but I see why you like this. You're always making pretending as if hip hop.
Hey, which ones are these ones now?
No, like people in
Which ones
general.
are these ones now?
The consumers of music,
Baga hip hop.
they pretend they don't like hip hop,
Yeah.
but at the same time, the industry exists.
That's facts.
And like your favorites, bro, the same people we're talking about right now, they do hip hop. You understand? Dog, it's trap. The way we do this, it's
Yeah.
come on, no. And
Yeah,
even
yeah.
though it's not the same style that people used to do, because
Yeah.
people imitated the same
Yeah.
sound. But can we just acknowledge
Or they-
right
they say-
now?
Okay. I saw an argument on Facebook.
Yeah.
Nah, Barry, this is not Hana Barry, this is not hip hop.
Yeah.
It is famo.
Yeah.
New age fam.
Yeah,
Famo,
new
what is
age
it?
famo
Yeah.
or something like that.
Yeah.
But okay, fine. Why can't we have both? Re kopantse two
Inspiration.
elements.
Yeah.
Ntse tshwana le amapiano is kwaito
And
infused
then
with house.
And then-
So
yeah.
and then
We
it's
can do the same.
we're doing
that's what I-
that.
yeah,
we're like
like
we're
that's
mixing
like-
family hip hop.
Yeah.
We're creating a new
Yeah,
genre.
something new.
A bit
Like I was
genre.
saying, they should actually find a name for the sound.
Nah.
For the sound.
It's like
Hey, it will come.
Yeah.
I think it
But
will
like, it's
come
very
eventually.
important for us
I'm
to-
a
But I
Korean.
think it should have that thing and be like,
copyright.
this is this sound.
Yeah,
I'm a
we
Korean.
need a template for it.
I'm a Korean type shit.
I am a Korean.
But you know, like if they can
Because
solidify that name.
niggas is just there.
Hey.
Because like we said, now we had like Sanere sold to Pete Sanere
Ish.
over and over. We had Pokabo as well.
Yeah.
And then they label that they're like, I don't know what the sound is.
Yeah,
they can't point it and say sounding it's this. Because
Yeah.
has it
Hey,
you
I
can't
know.
say it's
Hona
tape.
tjena na ba itse we're still riding on tape. We'll just say
Yeah.
get
Oh,
tape.
they agreed on tape.
Hey, no,
Sunday
we'll
will
just
take
say
Sunday.
get tape.
Yeah.
I know for now
Oh.
until it's tape.
Okay.
Until we
okay.
actually
Until
like
something gets developed
Hey.
on its
Yeah.
own. Because
Yes.
eventually
We can have a pseudonym right
Hey.
now that we can rock with.
Yeah.
So I'm a Koreana Taishi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something.
Taishi.
But it's
hey,
fine. It's fine.
I'm a Korean le yona iko. I'm a Korean. E ka ga bele re batho ba North Korea, Kim Jong
I'm
Un.
gonna again. Get that tape, yeah. How was that guy? Wave Rider. Wave Rider's project.
Yeah.
I'm a Korean.
Yeah.
But what he did is just sample a whole lot of Korean.
Yeah, but it was dope. No, not for me. Though.
Like,
Yeah.
guys, me.
Oh,
me
we're not saying
I'm a
yeah.
Korean. We're not saying
Yeah.
you're blind.
Okay.
We're just saying what could be
But you
possibly
like that tape.
that
You like that
sound.
tape.
I like
Wave
it.
Rider.
I listened to it probably like 4 times,
Yeah.
but never
That's a
went
lot.
back to it. But when I listened to it, I kind of enjoyed it.
Yeah.
It was like, new sound,
Yeah.
Thai shit,
Doing
you
that-
know.
Taishi.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
But Yeah, I'm just saying, hona tjena na batho ba tlametse gore they should work on the replay value of their music.
Yeah.
Make sure pina mmino wa hao o kgona go let's take album ya Phoka Borwa for example. Album e ne tswile last year, but it's still on rotation.
Crazy.
It's still on rotation.
It's
So
crazy.
it shows, but not the entire album. A couple of songs in the album. But kore it shows hore, you know, hona le bo element bon, we still have that element as the country to create bodies
Bodies of work, yeah. Bodies of work that are really good.
Yeah.
Did you guys see the feature run Yandata in the last 3-4 weeks? Because consistently
Feature.
from a feature
Or
run.
feature like
His feature
the
run. The features
with
he's
the
doing.
with the brands.
Bro, not even with the brands
like
only.
music.
With music.
Yeah.
He did something with Original from Eswatini. He did something
I
else.
saw that one.
Yeah.
I saw that
And then
one.
there's also over there, Original has Zulu Mecca on the album. So you like the value of bars alone could you tell you that was properly cooking. And then he also owes us an episode. He was
Ntatao is
supposed
supposed
to
to come so many
yeah, he was
times,
supposed to shoot
bro.
the other time.
Eish, bothata gore vele Ntatao only comes during the week. He only wants to do shoots during the
because
week.
he's available that time.
Yeah, and some of us are, you know, employed.
9 to 5.
Yeah, 9 to 5.
But we work around it. We work around
Yeah,
it.
we'll find a
But I
solution
was
to
just
get
saying,
Ntatao on the show.
Baholo who have like been working like who did this?
Yeah.
AJ47 did like a song called Mamba. It's out now, and it also has like a nice feature on it. And everybody who's been bumping it fucks with it.
Yeah.
And also like the milestones right now, how you Sannego with this tape.
Yeah.
The top 200 tracks, he was like in the top 5 on Apple Music.
Dog, you charted above Blakey, bro.
Yeah.
Above Blakey. I'm like,
But
But is this the formula? Like for artists in Lesotho?
What?
Like that sound? Like should people gravitate towards that sound in order to actually
I think they
make
should
it
tell
out?
No. I think
Kapala
everybody,
what you must.
everybody
What
should
do you
do
think?
whatever resonates with them. But
Tell
now we have a
what you
blueprint.
must.
Now we have the blueprint is be as authentic as possible.
Yeah.
Whatever if you're doing,
Because now if I'm a
HBK.
musician, I try to
Yeah.
rap like those
Yeah.
people.
you know, like HBK.
Yeah.
I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
His project is still one of the hardest projects to drop in a while.
In my elements.
You see what he's doing? He's
in my
so
elements is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
first
That's like,
one.
wow,
That's
like
number
you're
one.
way
He
back.
dropped like
Hey, be
6
specific,
after.
Yeah. The latest
Talk about
project-
6 albums.
The latest project he
I
dropped.
bet,
My tell is
yeah.
like how worker being an authentic artist to himself. You know?
Okay. Like
HBK
stick towards true to you.
Yeah.
But-
You see,
but,
the sound he does is nothing anybody does. It's this stuff. You
Yeah,
understand?
yeah.
The stuff Tory does. Tory LSO is also cooking his own stuff. The stuff Nixon is doing. Yeah, but like as long as it's authentically a Lesotho product, you understand, and an authentically you product.
Yeah.
We mix it with whatever inspirations you have.
Yeah.
You'll cook.
Hey,
That's the
but
formula.
Basotho resonate more with this new sound.
Yeah,
Yes,
no,
because
like
I-
popping.
Yeah.
Like another commercial sound they're gonna have.
This is what happened with when Stunner dropped.
Yeah.
The same thing.
Yeah,
When Stunner
yeah,
dropped
yeah.
it the first time, we were like, okay, we could chop it's feel like in a type track
Yeah,
in an album,
Yeah.
and we could talk about a robbery, and we could talk about this.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a soundy nice. You understand? Maybe people try to mimic that after he did.
Yeah.
Right
Yeah.
now, these homies are doing this sound, and people are gonna gravitate
Yeah.
towards it.
Yeah.
But it's not a general thing. It should be a theme.
Yeah.
Because that the way you drop bars and similes and two double shit
Underground.
Yeah.
Hey, people don't gravitate
Nah,
towards
my
it.
I was just saying, my fetu rapanga Sesotho.
They don't
that's
gravitate
it.
towards the
The peanuts and other fetu di tla for man.
yeah.
To my man, I don't know nyana. Anyway, on that point, we're going to an ad break. We'll be back after this ad break. Yeah. Guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, I'm joined by Advocate Motwari from Basotho Culture and Food Tasting Festival. Ntate wa phela.
Oh, repeat, Mokamedi.
Ke a wamela ntate ho the Jump podcast. Ne ke kopa hore fela o ko jwetsa Basotho hore now what is the Basotho Culture and Food Tasting Festival?
Right. This is the festival,
Yeah.
Eo e leng hore ho yona the main thing ke taba ya food tasting.
Yeah.
Then we had to bring together the aspect of culture into food tasting. Hence the name Basotho Culture and Food Tasting Festival.
Yeah.
So this is actually the baby ya Botatelei Park.
Okay.
So this festival it's the first time it's
Eh.
we actually launching it officially this year.
Okay.
It's an annual event.
Eh.
Ho tloha hona jwale ho fikela kgale. Ha o sheba o tlo fumana hore so many countries di na le food festivals tsa tsona.
Yes.
So it's all about Basotho cuisine. So we are saying dijo tsele tsa kgale
Eh.
tseo di seng di sa tsejwe. So we are saying di kgutle, let's bring them back.
Eh.
So what we are doing is to say, even though culture is not stagnant, ha e nka e le nngwe e ntse evolve, ne? So that's why re tlisang into aspect jwale batho ba tsebang ho pheha, the chef. Now we have into perspective Donald Balos. Jwale ke bona ba tle ba pheha dijo tseno ka boemo ba hona jwale.
Okay.
Yeah. So event ena rona e qala di 30 tsa August.
Okay.
Then e be enka letsatsi le hlahlamang e leng the 31st of August. So it's actually a 2 days event. Yes.
Okay.
It's ala hona Bukati Leisure Park.
Okay. So batho ba ka fumana di-ticket kae tsa event?
All right. Ticket box ba di fumana. Then we have the number also 587 49 253.
Okay.
So just WhatsApp or holla the numbers. Then you get the tickets are how. Ticket it's 150.
What does it come with?
Good. Oh, it includes food.
Dijo tsohle ba ka di taste mahala.
Then you are going to taste everything there, but ho fumane plate ya hao jwale. O tlo fumana plate le nngwe e be wa ja. So ona mono ya matsatsi ya mabedi e leng weekend pass ke 250 maloti. Le yona ntse kenyeletsa dijo. Bana it's 80 maloti ntse kenyeletsa dijo. Then o tloa mono e sele monate throughout rena le dipapadi tse tla be di etsahala mmino ka mokgwa o tshwanang. So the only unique thing about this festival is the fact that we have panel discussions on Friday, about 3 of them. Yeah, batho ba tla be ba discussa mohlala taba ya tourism, taba ya dijo, and taba ya history ya Basotho.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll be discussing those.
Okay. Guys, you'll find everything on the description form, the numbers, lorena le ka fumana di-ticket kae, lorena event na e tla be e hostelwa kae. Stay tuned as the episode continues. We're back. Guys, there's a whole lot of buzz out here, yaore. Like hona le gatekeeper ga le Sotho mona na hona le batho ba thibelang batho ba bang hore ba tle ba thibelang batho hore ba ske ba performa and whatnot. I somehow don't think it exists. This is my view. I don't think there are gatekeepers in Lesotho. This is my point. If you are so talented, if your stuff, your craft is good, nobody can deny you.
Facts.
Craft ya highly hand. Like when your stuff is good, nobody can deny. Somebody will recognize you. But someone will come and say, no, you need a stage for you to perform that. No, we have digital platforms for that. TikTok is putting everyone. X is putting people. Facebook, and you have friends. If o share batho dinto, they can share your stuff. So I don't feel like ona di gatekeeper. For example, if ba Afro ha buki bana ba bang. Number 1, there's a comment modimo a ebile ke a rata, but I know it's controversial. Ke tšhelete ya hae. It's his money.
Let him do whatever he wants.
So how not tsekisa motho a re I made my own show and I'm booking whoever I want.
Bro,
because it's my show.
It's my show.
Yeah.
So when I
that's
watch
where the whole-
Kwata,
so
I
great.
don't think that's gatekeeping, though.
yeah, no, they're saying they're
But it is
gatekeepers
in a way, because
performances.
like
In terms of performance, really batho ha ba thole exposure ba e
if you're owning some of the biggest platforms and you deny me the chance to get into it, and I've consistently asked, you are gatekeeping. You understand? You're deciding who to let in. That's what the gatekeeper does. How about umthetho? That's what they mean. They're gonna be like, I know, bro.
But very little how little.
Because that's where I'm at.
Fair
bro.
enough. Fair enough. Let's talk about this, man. Taking it back a little bit to the thing that happened with the famous brand alcohol, right?
Yeah.
With that DJ kid from SA. Who
Now
came
you
to do the
you
thing,
can talk about it,
right?
man. It's fine.
So recently there was like an episode short, the DJ who had and he mix. Was like a
Romeo.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this guy shoots Vexes. He has one of the biggest platforms in SA. He's one of the most well-renowned content creators in SA.
Yeah.
So YouTube Black, he's got accolades, he's got views, he's got sponsors, he's got he's
he's
got the
good,
visuals.
numbers.
Yeah. So he does this thing where it's a promotion for the Braai Fest.
Yeah.
And it's sponsored by Maluti because Maluti is a sponsor, the
Maluti
Braai
and the Braai Fest,
And
yes.
everybody lost their mind on some. This is why South Africans, they exploit us. Right now, we came up with the same concept and nobody was sponsoring.
Yeah.
And we're like, guys, but at the same time, are you worth the value you are?
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
I understand thinking, are we just entitled to things because Kalaba Sotho? Or you think you deserve things because we're
Entitled. The key word is
entitlement.
entitlement. Ha re tlweleng- Basotho ha re tlweleng entitlement.
Yeah.
Nobody owes you anything. If you could set that in your mind, hantle hore ha ona motho a o kolotang ho shootela music video, ha ona motho a o kolotang ho pusha mmino wa hao, you have to do that yourself.
The only thing you have to do is focus on your craft.
Yeah.
If your craft
Focus.
is that good,
We
your
want-
craft will speak for you.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Your craft will do all the opening
Exactly.
of the gates.
And then-
Every gate, even the Peli gate.
I was in Joburg this past week. ne?
Flex.
4 people are no, I can't flexing again. Flexing going in a passport.
In this country.
Not going to Joburg. Going to Joburg is not a flex. But I'm just saying, I was there and 4 different people were like, yo, dog, we're having a house party. And in that house party, ne re bapetse mix wa Romeo. Ikele Lesotho da, ho jwalo da go Lesotho. Like una le metsi, I want so. And the pere di via everywhere. You batla ho tla da. Can I sleep at your house, dog? I want to come. Like 4 different people told me that. So it shows what they were doing, the initiative that they were doing is
They knew what they were
working.
doing, bro.
It's working for the Braai Fest. If people in SA already say, "Re batla ho tla, we're having house parties over the mix that was played in Lesotho. Where now only DJ's teaser. Would you pull that?
Would you pull the same
Would you
crowd?
pull the same
Also,
crowd?
everything, like, it's very important to understand when brand alignment, guys. Not everything aligns. Just because you
Just
think,
because it's same proximity and
it doesn't
whatever.
mean it's yours.
Doesn't mean it should
doesn't
align.
mean it's your, some things are not for you, and then you should allow the things that are meant for you to be for you. And if let's say it's fine, you say you'll try to work with this brand, and I think work enough until you're at the level. But to us, it's a level. If you see homies getting the gigs that. What did he do
They
right that you
deserve.
didn't? You know what I mean? And also at the same time, I think we should dispel something. Quality how will also sell itself. The reality of it is, I'll say this again. There's too many good people out here. You know what I mean?
You have to stand
You can't
up.
be mad that we use the South African artist to promote an event. At the same time, your entire career is you playing industry as South Africa. You want to create original music. You are not in any platform. Your followership, engagement, none of these
And we
things.
still have that.
You make it you know. But you but you expect these niggas to work with you.
Yeah,
Come
yeah,
on.
like you're not-
Ukhola 6 pack.
Come on. You've made it a standard for you.
Dog.
And they're satisfied with that shit.
Exactly.
Yeah, but more.
Flex 6 pack.
Yeah.
Ukhola
Flex.
300. So shout out to the people who are actually putting time,
And
money,
work.
and work into their craft. And, it's amazing, guys. Like keep on
people
doing
who are
it.
able to actually value and see their own value, and not
Exactly.
be satisfied with like the bare minimum.
Hey.
Because it's like you have to constantly elevate and up the
Exactly.
game all the
Uska
time.
tatela ho
All
tuma.
the time.
Talent alone is not gonna work, my dogs.
Yeah, talent alone.
Yeah.
Talent alone. So yeah, man. Only something ke batla hore hape we should like a little bit tap on to it. Ntwena ya hore when we say Ralph is a rapper and is a podcaster,
Yes.
Lungile is a fashionista,
Yeah.
and then now, but when
I don't-
when we
don't-
put
don't-
when we
don't.
Ela, ke tla o yamela di point di fair. Yamela di point.
No, I'm on the name.
So doof.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes. So now
that part
when
out.
we flip genders, it's a female rapper, it's a female podcaster, it's a female
Is it the other one is
fashionista.
gender assigned?
So ntweno ya hore vale ebe o tlametse o kenywe female. Is it really necessary hore I'm also a DJ, but how to male DJ? How to DJ?
It is joking.
And then when it comes to a chick, also the female
You go to
DJ.
female DJ,
So
female
why
rapper.
can't they only be DJs Libon. Ebe DJ, ebe fashionista, ebe and why do we always have to include the female part? Is it necessary? Because now I feel like it's kind of diminishing. Ekare ke motho a mme re tlametse gore re tlo expecta mohlolo like motho a mme wa letsa he bana. You know, like we always say, me new. Like it's like putting a me DJ.
I hear what you say. Here's the point. At the end of the day, those industries that these people come into have only been dominated by one gender.
Yeah, by
you
men.
understand?
Yeah.
So that's why by natural this position is juxtaposition is fail. DJ was synonymous with male. You understand? Musician was synonymous with male. That's why Mepuseletos Jenny as an artist saying she was the first female farmer artist. It's very important because it speaks out to them penetrating into the market. You know, sometimes I still have blind. But at the same time, I'm going to bring it back to this. I saw a tweet by a friend of mine, not a tweet, but like a Facebook post. It feels like Lesotho, we have fast-tracked celebrity culture so much. We're not in gender politics right now. We barely have enough DJ who are ladies. You understand? We barely have the people we address with this problematic name. We barely have them. Can we get it to a point where we're just engaging and it's but at the same time, maybe we're adjusting to the rest of the world. Maybe in line with everything, right? But I just feel like he has a point. Some things are fast-tracked. You're moving from we didn't have celebrities yesterday to this week. I'm screaming when I see you. You understand? So
we are saying we should just call DJs, not female DJs. We should level the playing field.
It should
And let
just
them.
be
But my question could be: is the playing field
level
even?
I feel like
Is a female rapper and a male rapper? Is that playing field even?
Ralph, what are we
I
trying
feel like
to
it
say?
goes to what he's saying. The reason in it about like female what is because females are experiencing a lot of firsts. First,
So
so
it's
like
very important
first
to
African
outline
to
it.
win a gold medal.
First African.
African, because Africans are not accustomed to.
It's like there are a lot of
we
firsts.
haven't had the opportunity
to be
you
accustomed to
understand?
those kind of accolades and those kind of opportunities.
Now, before a term artist couple, DJ couple, professional anything, iba gender neutral.
Juxtaposition is well,
But ideally, it's like a little sauce, man. Flame grilled chicken. It just tastes better. But ideally, my chat is how also fit to a level we could say things are gender neutral yet. We need to acknowledge the development itself. Yes, you are a female DJ because the industry has. But to be politically correct, yes, they're all DJs.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But at the same time, we have to acknowledge, yo, I am the first one to be rocking the daisies. You understand? It makes sense. If I'm the first black Mosotho to, not black Mosotho. As if they But I get you what I mean. My chat is if every single time creates a milestone, it's very important to
mark it out.
He's the first Mosotho to do 7,000
Guinness World Records.
Especially things that are
First
so
time we are
male
developing.
dominated, and it's a sign of development and progress. But the maybe it will get evenly
distributed at some point.
So DJ Lani is up for booking, guys. Libuke DJ Lani. She's a very good Amapiano DJ. Check her out on her social medias. At Lani on Instagram, Facebook, DJ Lani. We'll put her booking details on the description. Check her out, man. She's very amazing.
I was there for the first time she played. It was crazy.
You were there? I was there too.
Where did she play? Where was it?
Wherever she played, I was there.
You were
That's
there?
what you need to know.
KCC.
Yes.
You were there. All right.
Hey, I was.
okay.
I didn't want to mention the name.
No. My chat is like I was there, bro. I experienced. It's not only Nike. Nike the first time she did like a proper event, sort of like where we could say there's some people paying. I wanna into the spot. I was there. I was like, this is why they fuck with the mix some more virtual DJ and but you can see them develop and become different and better brands. You understand? And the way they're carrying themselves now is different.
Sure.
Yeah. So
Speaking of
ladies.
cases, bro.
Yeah, ne?
Speaking of
Wait, did you
case.
catch
got
a
a
case?
case?
Madam?
Eh?
Who got a case?
Oh no, cases. Give me a case.
I thought the case. I'm like,
No.
We have been served.
Kibuyaga cases, like cases, the establishment, man.
Oh,
That place
Yeah.
was like a very, 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 very good establishment for the industry.
Yeah.
Because
Very
a
influential.
whole lot of
Very
artists
Came up
yeah,
there.
no
ba
cap.
ba qadile mono dog
Yeah.
bo stana ba qadile mono
Yeah.
bo Vector ba qadile
What
mono
DJs teaser about Kadle
Yes.
Hey guys.
hey like
Afro,
Afro
everybody,
DJ
the
qadile
rappers,
mono
Uncle Crack,
Uncle
every-
Craig o qadile
everybody,
mono
yeah.
who's this Tribes o qadile
Yeah.
mono like cases was
It's a hub. It should be a museum. Stop selling things out of it.
Exactly.
Literally, just
Like,
let us walk in and say, "Yo, I was playing my first gig here."
Yeah.
exactly,
The
guys.
Kuma
We need
monument.
as people who have been helped by cases to establish their brand or their brands. We need to go back, guys. Like, Kore, give out a helping hand or do something in like Kore celebrating cases
Are we
25
there yet, though?
years. I mean, not there yet, but be what it was to.
In this economy.
Hear me out. Hear me out.
Yeah.
Guys, not everything is about money.
Yeah.
Not everything is about money. Hona tjenana re tsa mohlala Afro DJ ona le sound system.
Yeah.
A re ka nka sound ya Afro, re ise cases. Make a talent show type of thing. Ya hore bana ba tla ba tlo showcase. Uncle Craig probably ona le body promoters
if he's done some things
Double
there,
Sprite.
yeah.
He can bring Boss Sprite to cases, ba sponsor something.
Yeah.
Bring life to
Let's
it.
say, man, yeah.
Yeah,
Bring all the
like
connections you
bring
have.
the connections that
not
we
ne-
have already established.
Yeah.
Not necessarily
ourselves.
monetary.
Okay, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna agree with everything except one thing.
Yeah.
He said not everything is about man. You understand? And that's where I get lost in translation. Cause ATM Baba, everything. What I think is the most basic thing. If you've been in the entertainment space, you'll know that everything costs money. So
Yeah.
even though the initiative is good, it has to be thought through. La re inahanela financial massive. Because what's gonna happen? A great day for people, celebrate it, and then at the end of the day, you go back to our business. The mismanagement, mismanagement is gonna continue happening.
Yeah.
If there's gonna be issues with
Damages,
like
whatever.
stocking and whatever, we won't have made enough money to sponsor that space enough for it to live. Also, it's in the economy. I meant in the context of there's other spaces that are booming and popping too. So
Yeah.
also to bring it back from where Kalafata to say, yeah, I understand the sentiment. I can go push some and try and make the
And then
and
you
then
get
make it
that
better.
in place again.
But like the packaging,
Yeah.
And then
It should make sense.
Yeah.
Lwena first MC gig ya how
Was it
it was at cases.
Yeah, my first big something.
Yeah, I was- yeah.
Yeah.
So my chat is, however, it needs to make sense
Makes sense.
to why we do it. Sometimes you have to let sleeping dogs lie.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
understand?
yeah, yeah.
Sometimes some things need to be a part of history. So that we
That's
develop
why you
better
say.
things.
That's why you say museum it.
Yeah, like let's
should
make it a
type
monument.
shit, type
Bro,
shit.
bro,
Let's
bro.
then we
Yeah.
move
The most
to-
basic thing, bro, like Maboning, you have a space in Yani, in Elil, where a musician went and recorded a song. But they're making it a big deal now. You understand? We can have it as a monument. Like we could be like, Mona Henry Chabline and have it reserved and nice.
Okay.
You understand?
Mona-
We have every
Mona
part of the
no di-less
culture. Yeah,
teas.
to say,
Yeah, it's a-
Oba Mona na got glass house in the chat.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
understand?
yeah.
So there's so many ways to preserve the culture and the history. Sometimes you have to let things die so that we create other things.
Yeah,
That's what
no
I'm
lie.
saying. Like a phoenix, give him power to go create other things.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
on, yo, here is gone. You understand? Let's maybe work on something else. We can help you create something that's different, that's going to be better suited for this market right now.
Wait, was that a coincidence when you said Phoenix? Couple you were saying
No,
the phrase.
I know what you mean, but I know what you
Onal
mean.
DJ and episode DJ Phoenix cases, my
Yeah,
God.
yeah.
That guy was a nightmare.
He was
In a
around.
Batana 2.0, if you all know Batana. God.
There was
damn.
another butternut there.
Yeah, I'm a Batana Tazama. We love Batana Demo. Amanganga times 2.
Yeah.
He didn't want anybody closing the party. Go go
no,
Well, be wet.
Horses.
Comment. I do not know anything. I retract my statement about Phoenix.
Yeah. Nah, he dropped him. He name dropped him. Anyway, guys, yeah, man. So Join us again next week for another
Culture
episode
breakdown.
of. Should you guys? Yeah. So somebody said to me, guys, this is gonna be our new thing. Somebody said, what if we said pull out? Jump. Because we like,
When we close the show.
yeah.
Pull up and
Pull out, say jump.